Hello friends, welcome to Abhiyami tutorials. So today in this video we'll learn how to stop the Python program wherever you want. Okay. So for example, you have a Python program, you want to stop at some point. So how to stop Python program? Let's see. Okay. Let's say I have a simple program for I in range 0 to 10. Okay. And print I. Okay. If I equal to 5, I want to stop the Python program. So what we have to do, we have to simple command we have to give, that is rise keyboard interrupt. Okay, then your program will stop at I equal to 5. Let's run the program and see at I it will print 0 to 5, and when I equal to 5 it will stop the program. So this rise keyboard interrupt, wherever you want you can put in your program and you can stop the program if you don't want to run further. Okay guys, for example, if I make I equal to 3, it will stop at I equal to 3, and give some condition wherever you want to uh, stop the Python program. At that condition you can raise keyboard interrupt, then Python program will get stopped. Okay, hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Abhiyami tutorials for more such amazing videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.